All right, it seems to be escalating like no other trade war that has been ever witnessed before. The US versus China trade war has exploded even further. The US has now raised the bar on tariffs, and this time on China, 245%. I'm going to repeat myself. 245% are the tariffs that have now been imposed by the US on Chinese goods. This seems to be escalating like no other war as far as when it comes to the tariff war that is now escalated to such a level as far as doubling retaliatory tariffs, Hina, then counter retaliatory tariffs, then this is another counter. We don't know how many more retaliatory tariffs that have been levied on both of the countries, and this is 245%. This goes into an unimaginable level as far as Chinese goods in America would now cost.
Well, that's right, Amita. This is absolutely shocking. This tit for tat on tariffs that is refusing to stop, and this tariff war that's going on between the United States of America and China. On one hand, of course, countries like India have got a breather, but this trade war, this tariff war is almost escalating on a daily basis, Amita. Now, this is the latest statement that has come from the White House, which says that on China, now the tariffs by the United States of America, by the Donald Trump administration, will stand at 245%. Now, the timing of it is very, very important, because yesterday only we got reports suggesting that China has stopped its companies, the companies within China, to stop, in fact, taking deliveries from Boeing, not to take any, Boeing deliveries into China. So is this a response to that action from China? That, of course, remains to be seen. We still have not heard anything from Chinese foreign ministry yet on this latest development, because it has just come just now. The US fact sheet, has made it clear that further there has been an increase in the tariffs from the US side to China to 245%. This seems like a retaliation after China decided to tell its companies to not take any orders from Boeing, to stop all deliveries from Boeing company, which is a big thing that had happened. Reports were suggesting this yesterday. Now this retaliation coming in. We'll have to wait and see now China, now how China is going to respond to this latest development from the White House.
Right, but Hina, it seems that both sides are not looking to back down at any cost. However, Donald Trump did announce a 90-day pause period barring China, because he expects that China will first back down as far as what they have been calling it as malpractices and trade war against China. But China doesn't seem to be bothered with the rising tariff prices.
Well, absolutely. And remember, the kind of statements we've got from China so far seem to suggest that, these intimidation tactics are not going to stop us. And for us, our country's interests are also quite important. That was the kind of sentiment we saw coming in from China. And that clearly seemed to suggest that whatever Donald Trump, might do, China is not going to back down. The last update that we got from the United States of America was 145% tariffs on China. But then news reports suggested that China has, in fact, told airlines within China to not take any deliveries from Boeing, because other than that, there hasn't been any development from China really taking place. And after that, this, in a retaliatory move, we've seen from the White House a statement coming saying that now the tariffs to China, tariffs on China from the Trump administration, in fact, stand at 245%, which is a whopping jump of about 100%. Now, the question really, trade war that we are seeing happening between the US and China, where will it stop really? Because it's not good for the entire world. We live in an interconnected world. And if this continues like this, then definitely it's going to have an impact on Asian countries, on countries like India as well, which so far have maintained, a neutral stance vis-a-vis China as well as the United States of America on this particular issue. India has been on a wait-and-watch mode. The world has also been on a wait-and-watch mode. But this cannot really continue like this, because, economists feel that this is going to plunge United States of America into a state of recession. Many economists are also of the view that this is nothing but a self-goal by the Trump administration, and these kind of moves through which Donald Donald Trump wants to make America great again might not really help America that much. And the kind of retaliation that we have seen coming in from China perhaps is a shock for Donald Trump administration as well. I don't think even Donald Trump expected this kind of a retaliation from Xi Jinping, from China. So we'll have to see, how will all of this really stop? As of now, the world is just waiting. The eagle and the dragon fight amongst each other, while for everybody else, for about 70 odd countries, in terms of tariff, there has been some kind of a breather that has come in because Trump has paused.